Welcome to another episode of CamStreamer Talks. My name is Pavel Kotyza, and in this short video I would like to share the quick info and the latest news about our CamStreamer app portfolio. This is a CamStreamer Refresher, so let's go. CamStreamer is a Czech Prague-based company of 30 plus people. We work only for Axis as an application development partner for over a decade, and we focus on development in-camera apps for Axis communication network cameras. Currently, there's over 14,000 live streams and it's growing. In our offer, we have 5 ACAP apps, the apps that you install into camera. We have CamStreamer for streaming directly from camera. We have new CamSwitcher that allows you to fetch a screen and view area from other cameras and play the video clips in one outgoing live feed. We have a cam overlay for adding the graphics such as weather widget, logo, info ticker. You can display any sports scoreboard and so on and so forth. We have Camscripter for running scripts directly on camera that can fetch the data, integrate data, control other cameras, change PTZ positions, and you can make camera as a tool to control other cameras as well. And we have a store occupancy manager that is great for small facilities and cafeterias and stores that can turn camera into simple marketing in-store communication tool. Our biggest target group now is among sports, municipalities, schools, construction sites, zoos and anything with animals, and beautiful places to show. And of course, we have industrial partners. Our apps are used inside a facilities, closed networks, hotels, and so on and so forth. So let's have a look on a CamStreamer app. With CamStreamer, you can just choose the view area of your camera and select the platform where you want to push it, and that's it. The CamStreamer app is here to stream directly from camera on YouTube, Facebook, your website, Vimeo, Dacast, Twitch, any RTMP server, HLS, SRT, you name it, CamStreamer got it. You can control the streams easily via API, and the beauty of CamStreamer app is that it works also on older umbrella chipset Axis cameras. With CamStreamer, you are in control. You can create 24/7 stream, one-time stream, recurrent stream, scheduled stream, manually remote control stream. You can use API commands for start and stop the stream. You can easily then save those commands in your browser, in your mobile. You can create your own hardware buttons to start and stop the streams. We have also added a delayed live streaming feature for privacy sector and great for esports as well. It's all in-camera app, so you can directly push the view from your camera. CamStreamer speaks English, CamStreamer parle français, CamStreamer habla español, CamStreamer juega idea putonghua, CamStreamer speak Deutsch, and many other languages are available in CamStreamer app, so use it in what language you prefer. There's a new app in our portfolio, and it's CamSwitcher app. CamSwitcher app is the new ACAP in-camera application for Axis cameras with RPEX 6 and 7 chipset. The beauty of the app is that you can easily install it on one camera in your network and then grab a feed from up to 4 other cameras or play the pre-recorded clips from the SD card. And you can change the cameras on the fly. You can start playing the clips on the fly, as we can see here on the demo. This is the baseball field, and you can see there's a PTZ from the side. Now switch to the wide view. Now let's go back to PTZ position on base 1. And it was out, so let's play the short jingle from the SD card. So now the jingle from the SD card is played. And it goes back after the clip to the previous live camera, and there is a bigger break because it's a change. So let's switch and let's play a longer video. It's an interview with the former players. So now you can play another clip and then you will come back to a live camera. You can switch the cameras and clips on the fly via easy keyboard shortcuts. So you can assign for every key, you can assign different PTZ, different clip, different playlist, and start playing these on the fly. Or with CamSwitcher, you can also create a something what we call playlist. It means that you define what PTZ, what camera you want to show for a specific time, and you can switch among live view clip, another camera from the network, another video clip, and you can create a loop that can be then streamed via CamStreamer. So you can create a clip like this, for example. You play a short promotional video clip from your SD card, and then you grab a live view from a camera with weather widget from CamOverlay with info ticker with a logo, and play another clip from SD card.
YouTube, Facebook, or another platform. Now, add some beautiful visuals to that
and
image.
switch to another live camera automatically, stay there for 5 seconds, and switch to another camera from your network, and go back to the beginning, and it goes all around. And then in CamStreamer, instead of selecting view area, you choose CamSwitcher view, and it will fetch this view. Next app in our portfolio is CamOverlay. CamOverlay is the app that allows you to add a weather widget, display an info ticker, upload any JPEG, PNG, or animated GIF file. So you can display any logo. It's any TrueType font is supported. You can have a picture-in-picture from another camera, from your computer. You can control the overlays, you can schedule them, you can trigger them via API, you can manually display and hide them, and so on and so forth. You can create a scoreboards. So you upload the background, you define the fields that you want to edit on the fly, and then in something what we call control room, you can easily change the values and the text is displayed. You can schedule your stream. So for example, during the day, you can stream beautiful view. During the night, you can put a full screen overlay with the QR code so people are forwarded to your website, or they can donate, or whatever you wish. You can share your webcam like this one. You can share your desktop like I'm sharing right now directly in live stream. And with the sharing desktop, you can even go full screen just by hitting the button and can then go back to its normal position. So it's great for education, churches, any public places, presentations, zoos where you can display all the additional information, and so on and so forth easily. Any of the overlay can be triggered by hardware button, by API commands, by access events, such as noise detection, motion detection. It can be also reversed. So for example, if there is no motion in the zoo, display animated giraffe, for example. You can still use the security features of the camera, such as privacy mask, as you can see here on a video from Melbourne Zoo. So they are using privacy mask to respect privacy of the visitors and display a giraffe cam with logo in the corner, picture-in-picture from a zebra cam, and an info ticker with additional information. So you can combine all those beautiful features of cameras and our CamStreamer and CamOverlay app. With sports, there is a couple solutions how to display a scoreboard. You can have a scoreboard as a picture-in-picture from a live scoreboard from the field. You can see it on the top right video. You can have a bottom right uploaded background updated via control room in CamOverlay. You can have some advanced graphics, such as here in Squash Field in Netherlands. They are updating all the content via API commands, pretty simple. And they also, as you can see on the top left video, they are also using picture-in-picture. By the way, in this case, it's a V5925 camera, so they can display the commentators, they can, comment some situation and then hide the picture-in-picture, and let's focus on the game. And on the bottom, the mountain biking is the beauty that instead of making some app, they are just sharing the computer screen and position it on the bottom in a timing computer at the finish. So that's the simple stuff how you can easily create your own scoreboard. With CamOverlay app, you can add these semi-transparent graphics. You can even create some simple PTZ commands for displaying specific graphics, or even change the PTZ or start and stop the stream, and so on and so forth. Camscripter, the great app. It's a JavaScript code interpreter that runs on the camera. You install it on the camera and you simply add a scripts into Camscripter, and camera is executing those scripts such as read me the data from the temperature sensor, read me the data from the API from the access system, read me the data from the industrial system, read me the data from the digital scale and display it in Cam Overlay, as you can see on the video on the top. Or we already made an integration with the Axis A1001 network door controller. You can find all these scripts on our github.com/CamStreamer website. So you can integrate it with temperature sensors. We made a project for a crane company, so they are displaying the current loadway data live in live feed. We have made the water quality index integration, weather flow. It's the hyperlocal meteo stations, weather stations. So you can read the data from your local weather station and push the data into Cam Overlay using Camscripter. We made a really popular beer flow meter. We made an IoT hub integration. So virtually anything you want to integrate, if there is an API, you can do it. We even made a script for CamSwitcher that can easily change the camera automatically. If there is a motion on camera 2, it will switch to camera 2. If there is a motion on camera 1, it will switch to camera 1. So you can get some automation. We even made a script that can read from the data from the Google Sheet. So for example, imagine now any coach or baseball mom, soccer dad, football mom can update the Google Sheet with the scoreboard, and it's updated live in the video. Let's have a look on a demo. So let's assume that I need to update the visitor scores from 0 to 1. I will update it on my Google Sheet. 1, 2, it's saved by Google. 1, 2, 3, it's read by Camscripter. 1, 2, it's in live video. Without giving access to the camera, breaching any security. And we already have dozens of implementations of this script, for example, for scoreboards where parents or people with no access can update the scoreboard. I made a GameStop, because GameStop is popular game store in the US. I made a manual people counter using a Google Sheet. So bouncer at the doors is just updating the number of people inside on his mobile phone in a Google Sheets, and it goes live into video. And you can even move it further. Imagine automatic tweet display of your video, of your tweets in live video from a municipal house. So I made a script in if this then that platform that if there is a new tweet with my specific hashtag or handle, grab it and update the Google cell. And then Camscripter reads whatever is in the cell and display it in a video. The latest app from our portfolio is Store Occupancy Manager. It's all-in Cam solution for retail, stores, cafeterias, libraries, churches, any indoor facility. Imagine you have a space for 10 people, 8 is already in. I am coming in. Now I'm counted by camera, that's I'm number 9. My colleague is coming in, he's number 10. We reach the limit and we swap the graphics in video. So you can display it at the entrance and people are well informed about occupancy. You may also display a specific promotion. It helps prevent theft. And it also generates something, what is called Axis events. So this app can generate other events like playing the audio, turning on the red light, locking the entry door, not the exit door, and so on and so forth. So you can make a camera a POS, POP in-store marketing communication tool. It supports Axis 3D People Counter or Axis Occupancy Estimator ACAP or Axis People Counter ACAP. It works on all RPEG 5, 6, 7 cameras, and with huge baseline of M30 series cameras, we have added a HTML overlay option. So the graphic is not put into the video, but we generate a HTML page on the camera. So anyone connected to the same network can easily open this HTML page and check the status of occupancy in real time. Any of the overlays can be scheduled. So the video you saw in the beginning where I was entering the office is the same video, and the camera works at night as a POS communication tool. So anyone who passed by see on the television, yeah, we are closed, but scan this QR code and visit our web store, makes a booking or a place or whatever. we support access events in a store occupancy manager. So you can, based on the streams and based on the levels of occupancy, you can trigger other actions. To wrap it up, if you are looking for inspiration, please visit camstreamer.com/resources. It's full packed of tutorials, use cases, PDF files, case studies, brand releases. Check it out. There's a lot of stuff to learn and to be inspired. And of course, definitely visit camstreamer.com/live. It's a gallery of over 800 categorized live streams from different categories. And the beauty is that you can search by full text. You can choose the category of the streams, but you can also search by camera model. So if you would like to know how does a stream from V5925 looks like, check it out on camstreamer.com/live. Any of our app is provided with the 30-day free trial. So you can test it out fully before you place an order. And after that, we offer one-time payment, no monthly fees, no annual fees, no strings attached. So you can enjoy all the features the lifetime of the camera. This is the price list. We offer discounts for bundles, so definitely check out our website for all the prices and all the advantages of buying a bundle. For example, CamStreamer, CamOverlay, and CamSwitcher is $7.99 only. So this is it. This is our portfolio. There's CamStreamer for streaming. There's CamSwitcher for switching cameras and playing video clips from SD card. There's CamOverlay for adding the graphics. There's Camscripter for scripting and integrating any data in your live feed. And there's Store Occupancy Manager as a standalone tool for indoor facilities. I hope you like it. Definitely visit www.camstreamer.com. Check out our trials. And if you will need any help, send us a note on support@camstreamer.com or sales@camstreamer.com. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to our newsletter, and I'll see you in another video. My name is Pavel Kotyza, I am CamStreamer BDM, and I'll be more than happy if you will start streaming directly from Axis cameras using our ACAPs.